All right, so let's review how to do Penaz, protons, electrons, neutrons, atomic mass, and atomic number, and the nuclear symbol when we are given an element dash a number. So remember, and on your notes you should have that an element dash a number, the number stands for the mass. So we know the element, we know the mass, we need to get everything else for this atom. So if I look at my Penaz notes for P, if I look up bromine on my periodic table, bromine has an atomic number of 35. So remember, the atomic number is the one that goes in sequential order across a row. So we have 33, 34, 35 is the atomic number for bromine. And that means I have 35 protons. And remember that Z stands for atomic number, so P and Z should always be the same. That is the only thing we look up on our periodic table is the atomic number. Everything else for Penaz and the nuclear symbol we get from the information given. We also will need the symbol for bromine, which is Br for our nuclear symbol. So we're going to put Br. And remember that on the atomic symbol, 35 goes in the bottom left. So far we know how many protons we have. Now we need to figure out electrons. So remember, the easiest way to figure out electrons is protons minus charge. So does it say anything about bromine having a charge? No. So if it doesn't say anything about bromine having a charge, then we assume that the charge is 0. So 35 protons minus a charge of 0 equals 35 electrons also. Neutrons. Neutrons is mass minus protons. So remember, this 80 here is my mass. I have 35 protons, so that gives me 45 neutrons. And A, remember, stands for atomic mass, which is given to me, so that would just be 80. So we found protons from the periodic table, P and Z. We did protons minus charge for electrons, mass minus protons for neutrons. The mass number was given to us, otherwise it would be P plus N, and Z is 35. To finish out our symbol, we know that the mass of 80 goes in the upper left. We don't have a charge, so nothing would go in the upper right.